Hey guys, it is Marco and Car Garage over here again. And we've been just going back to back. So if you haven't watched the exhaust swap on that Mercy SV, make sure you do. And today we're doing another huge project at your Merado house. So what we're doing today is we are changing the transmission in this R34 from the regular Getrag 6-speed into an OS GIKEN Sequential. And the cool part of it, I'm still laughing about it, is that this car used to have an OS GIKEN Sequential when it was a time attack car. And when they auctioned the car off of UK, they peeled off the OS GIKEN because it's quite a lot of money. So in order for this car to go back to its previous glory of how fast with that Tsukuba lap time, we really need the same box back. And this is exactly what we're doing. We're not modifying the car, altering it. It is really putting back something it used to have. So I'm glad that it's going to be turning into its true form. Hopefully it's a quick turnover. The dog box is already at your Auto House waiting for us. So now we just have to take the car there. How exciting is that? Talk to you soon. That secret juice that this car sucks up.
Ooh.
Hey, not an app. It's a boost thing. This car clears tank real quick, and maybe we'll do some test driving on the OS GIKEN. We need to make sure to mix it with the 92s here. All right, I just convinced Tim to do one thing I always wanted to do. We can grab coffee from him, from his side, so I don't have to back in anymore. So I guess this is the only time that we're gonna drive the R34 through the driveway, facing forward, and does it right. How about that? So let's grab some coffee, and then we'll go to German Auto House shortly. Okay, he can't hear me. Give me a second. Okay, let me shut off the car. I said I need a cold brew.
Okay, what size?
Grande. And then for the coffee, can I get a small lid instead of a big lid? So, what was that? The small lid, so I don't want to spill in the car. Because I know the coffee sometimes give you the nitro lid.
Yeah, for sure.
All right.
Head forward with the window.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Nicely done. So she just couldn't hear you straight up?
No. She was like, I'm so sorry, I just can't hear you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Alright. And I don't have a cup holder.
I'm the cup holder for today. Thank you. She was cute.
No.
A few minutes later.
So my friend Charles says it's 4 hours of job. Dima, are you accepting the challenge? We're going to put a stop clock on it.
I mean, I believe him if he do every day 5 gearbox.
What I'm trying to say here is supposedly this is all a plug and play. In the real world, nothing is plug and play. There's always adjustment. But supposedly this is a lot easier. And also,
I think a little bit more time with the harness because it's still like.
But this doesn't link to the ECU. It's a separate thing.
Oh yeah.
So that makes it a lot easier. For example, if you do a Samsona swap, then you have to retune the car and get all that integrated, which is a lot more. So yeah, excited. Let's open this box up and see.
He's gotta eat it. Yeah, like that. Like a man.
This is satisfying. Let's do the work. This is done. Alright, so we peeled the full corners off. Ooh!
It's still bolted in.
Oh.
It's still all nailed in here. You
have to unbolt everything?
Yes.
Alright. God damn.
You got a long ways to go,
I
my
have a
friend.
long way to go. Never mind. It's not ready. I'm too scared of breaking shit. Hold on, let me break this one first. No leverage. Okay. I see it.
Yeah.
Getting the tips.
About time, there you go. There you go.
Okay.
All right. One down, 4 more to go.
Okay, technique number 2. Oh yeah. It's working. Oh.
There you go.
Number 2 done. Yeah? Alright, so who's next? William, you want to do this?
I'll try one shoot.
Oh, easy.
He's much better than I am.
Easy.
Let's go, Timothy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Next. Ooh. Dima has the difficult task. Told him not to break it.
Nice.
Hey.
Yeah.
Oh, a spider.
Wow. Came from Japan, man.
Yeah, came from Japan.
Ask him.
Foreign invasion.
Ask him about registration.
This is definitely made in Japan. I don't know what type of thing is going to spawn from that. I'm not excited for it. Confirmed. Look, this is from Osaka. That's what it is.
Hopefully we're not showing like some personal address or something like that on there.
It is actually.
From Osaka? No.
Yeah, this is Osaka.
This is okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
There it is.
yeah. It's a.
Hey, here's your clutch.
Flywheel.
Oh, it's a flywheel.
Your flywheel.
Don't drop it. Oh, it's heavy. Whoa, it's a clutch with a flywheel. Oh. Maybe I'll take one of these pieces with the stems on
You
it.
just auction all these pieces of wood off with a stamp on it.
Hey, maybe we'll give some to our fans. All right, so we're about to head out, and tomorrow we'll come back and the car should be ready. And when we're cutting the box, we were thinking about, you know, cutting out some of the souvenir piece. Let me know if you guys want some of that. And this is the you know, the freight box for the OS GIKEN for this R34 build. So let me know. Yeah, we're heading out, and tomorrow we'll come back and we'll do a test run with it.